Well, Bob, I want to both welcome you back to Henry Ford Health's Innovation Institute and also thank you for your vision from almost 20 years ago that Henry Ford Health is not just about delivering care, but it's about inventing the care of the future, and this is a prime example of that.
It's great to be back here, and every time I'm in the Innovation Institute, I'm inspired and I leave hopeful. Because this is about advancing and doing things other people, quite frankly, aren't capable of doing.
Yeah, we started over 100 years ago like that, and I'd like to think Henry Ford would be proud, and he'd certainly be proud of this program right here.
There's no question.
And it doesn't happen by accident. It's that vision, it's that support. Innovation is important. And it's not just for me or our team here, it's for all of us. We're going to show you today some innovations that happened in a nursing unit. And in front of me is Shirley, which is a 3D printer. And you might think, oh my gosh, this is technology that is space age, it is unattainable. This is a $500 device.
It's unbelievable.
We're going to show you how simple it is. Bob, this is so simple, even a CEO can do it.
I knew that was coming from you, Scott, and now I'll probably mess it up and you'll say, yeah. Oh no.
Yeah. Why don't we go ahead and talk a little bit about the 3D printing program?
All right, welcome Bob. My name is Alex Masheri, and I'm a 3D printing expert here along with Leo. We also are product designers. So this is our new 3D printers from Bamboo Labs. We are hoping to expand this to other units throughout the hospital. So we can do device creation here, as well as pre-surgical planning prints. And so we're gonna kind of take you through that.
How much joy do you get from this work knowing that it directly impacts people's lives?
Oh, so much. We get these really complex procedure questions, like requests from surgeons who are like, we just want to have extra planning time. We want to make sure this patient gets the best care they can. They come to us, we get to see all of the anatomy and learn as well. And then at the end, we get to hear about all the results and know that it worked really well and that they were able to get what they needed out of the print.
So you're really a part of the clinical team. I mean, that's a great thing.
Yeah, no, well, thank you. We want to help every single time. We want it to be successful.
As an example today, we're going to show you how to print out one of these EVD clips. This was designed by a nurse in the neuro ICU. They put these on the machines to stop the EVDs from coming out, which lowers infection risk.
Can I just stop you right there? Think of how cool that is, that a nurse on a unit is empowered and inspired to just problem solve in a way that takes advantage of the unique things that we have within Henry Ford Health. That just makes me so happy.
It's so amazing. Every time an invention disclosure comes in, it's great that people are thinking about creating solutions to help the health system.
Yeah.
It's such a wonderful thing.
That's our culture at work. Oh,
it is.
It just warms my heart.
Yeah, truly. So this is an FDM printer. It uses a spool of filament and it deposits that filament in layers to build the model. The design is created by us at the Innovation Institute and it's sent from us remotely to the 3D printer. And once that file is set, they can print the file out on demand whenever they need. So it's such an easy, simple machine to use. Anybody could use it. This is a roll of filament and that gets loaded into this automated material system here. So I can hand this off to you and I'll kind of walk you through it. But so you're just gonna set the filament inside of there. Run that through again. Perfect. And then you're gonna take the end of the filament.
All right.
And then you're going to push this in and feed it through. And now we can see we have our white PLA plastic loaded. The next step would just be to select the print file if you want to click on there. And then lastly, just hit print, just like a normal printer.
That's incredibly easy. Yes. And easy with high impact, that's a great combination.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if there's ever questions or concerns with the printer, we're here obviously to assist with any of the printers that would be in the system. Anything more complicated than a prototype or clip or anything, it would stay here. Like if it's a pre-surgical print, we will handle all of that here. But for clips and things that are useful and tools, that is something that they can print as many times as they need throughout their unit.
I'm just so impressed at the quick application of this to changing the trajectory of someone's health. I mean, that's what we're here for. And the fact that we have a team that is motivated and wants to lean into this kind of advancement and innovation is incredible.